Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers, on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. A, B, C, D, E, F. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn days of the week. Let's trace and paint them together. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. M, O, N, D, A, Y, Monday, T, U, E, S, D, A, Y, Tuesday, W, E, N E S D A Y Wednesday T H U R S D A Y Thursday
Farmer in the dell,
F
farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the
R
dairy-o, the farmer
I
in the dell. The farmer takes the wife,
D
the farmer takes the wife.
A
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes
Y
the wife.
Friday
The wife takes the child, the wife
S
takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
A
the wife takes the child
T
takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
U
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes
R
the nurse.
D
The nurse
A
takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow.
Y
Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Saturday
the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow
S
takes the dog. Hi-ho the
U
dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
N D
The dog takes the cat,
A
the dog takes the cat.
Y
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog
Sunday
takes the cat takes the mouse.
Days of the
The
week
cat takes the mouse.
Monday
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the
Tuesday
cat takes the mouse.
Wednesday Thursday Friday
The mouse takes
Saturday
the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
Sunday
Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Please like and
the mouse
subscribe to my
takes the
channel.
cheese.